Welcome back. There's some breaking update that is coming at this point in time. Remember last week, Muslim women targeted by an app called Bully Bhai took to social media to raise their voices against what had really happened with them. Now, in this case, one student has been detained from Bengaluru. That's the update that we are getting for you in this particular Bully Bhai case. Mumbai police have detained a student from Bengaluru after the complaints were registered, and we are getting to know the student is being brought to Mumbai. Sources have told Mirror Now that the student in fact was one of the 4 followers of the Bully Bhai app. That's the news that we are breaking for you on Mirror Now on Urban Debate this evening. So in this particular case, after complaints were raised, now one student has been detained from Bengaluru, and Mumbai police in fact have detained this student, and the student will be brought to Mumbai. Let's go across to Sandhya joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Sandhya, good evening. What more details can you share with us?
So, Hina, this 21-year-old person who is being brought to Mumbai by Mumbai Police Cyber Cell is a second-year engineering student. This absolutely young person, barely 21 years old, is, as you rightly said, among one of the 4 followers of this particular absolutely degrading and disgusting app. Talking about the investigation here, Delhi police and Mumbai police filed FIRs in this particular app once the Muslim women, mostly those who were actually the victims of this particular app, they highlighted it. In fact, if we talk about Mumbai police, politician Priyanka Chaturvedi was the one to urge Mumbai police to file an FIR. I remember, Hina, before this, in fact, few months ago, a similar app actually surfaced that was Soli Deals, and same kind of modus operandi was there. Prominent Muslim women, their names and photos were posted on that app for auction, exactly like Bully Deals. And at that time, Delhi police was looking into the case, but unfortunately, not much was done by Delhi police. In fact, the victims, while taking to social media, claimed that because of barely any action by Delhi police, the accused, the involved people and people with similar mindset had the audacity to come up with something similar within a span of few months. Now, talking about this particular case, Hina, as of now, this person is being brought to Mumbai at around 10:30 p.m. is the time it's expected that the flight will land in Mumbai. The person is a student. His father is in government job. Mumbai police's focus is going to be whether or not this person was only the follower or had any role to play in making the app, or any other, was he the mastermind, and whether he will be able to connect Mumbai police with other people or not. And this particular detention is actually one of the most prominent and the first development in this particular case, whether it's about Mumbai police or Delhi police combined action.
All right, Sandhya, appreciate you joining us with all of those details. We'll keep coming back to you for the latest on this particular story.